Hello, I'm Beth the Builder, and today's honest guide to home repair is installing a door sweep. As you can see in this, there is light shining from the bottom of my door. So I don't like that. It gets really, really cold where I live, and we also, in the summer, bugs are always a problem. This is a metal door sweep with a little rubber half-inch piece on the bottom of it. And then all you need for the job is a drill, a screwdriver, drill bits if you're using a drill. Otherwise, it's super simple. Weatherproof your house. Help keep bugs out. Keep that cold wind on the outside of your house versus the inside. It's not rocket science. Bigger idiots than me and you have totally done this. Get your door sweep, and then all you need to know, which side do you put it on? Okay, which way does your door swing? Mine opens in. So you put the door sweep on the inside. And then, if your door opens out, you put it on the outside. And then afterwards, look, now there's your door sweep, and it's keeping all that on the outside of your house. Leave a comment or a question down below. Like if you think what I'm doing is cool, and subscribe if you want to learn more about honest home repair.